In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your file for year-end with QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a small business owner tackling your own books, closing out your fiscal year is an essential task. And with QuickBooks Online, streamlining this process can be pretty straightforward. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure your year-end finances are in tip-top shape. The first thing you'll want to do is sign into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the QuickBooks website and click that Sign In button. Next, select the option for QuickBooks Online from the list. It's important to note that you need your correct credentials here, so type those in accurately and then hit Continue. Once inside your account, we're headed to the banking section. Simply navigate to Bank Transactions. This area is crucial as it houses all the financial activity linked to your bank accounts, allowing us to catch any discrepancies before reconciling. Speaking of which, the next step is to click on Reconcile. Find this option in the same banking tab. It's your starting point for ensuring your accounts match up with your bank statements. Reconciliation is a vital step in the year-end process. Here, you'll start reconciling your accounts. Keep in mind that there is a separate video tutorial for thoroughly understanding this process, so check that out if you need further details. During reconciliation, you'll match your QuickBooks transactions to your bank statement line by line. If everything lines up with no variance, you're on the right track. Now, with your transactions sorted and reconciled, it's time to officially close your books. Begin by clicking on Settings. You'll spot this at the top right corner of your QuickBooks screen. From the drop-down, select Account and Settings. In these settings, we head to the Advanced tab, where all the important year-end closeout tasks are handled. Under Advanced, look for the option to Close the Books. This function essentially locks your accounts to prevent any further changes to the specified fiscal year. You'll want to choose the appropriate closing date, so consult with your financial advisor to ensure accuracy. Once you've set your date, click Save. This saves your choices and locks the period. With our settings saved, finalize your year-end preparation by clicking Done. This last step ensures every alteration you've made is now part of your permanent QuickBooks record, keeping your financial statements secure and accurate as you move into the new fiscal year. And there you have it. Your QuickBooks Online file should now be perfectly prepared for year-end. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is key to sustaining a healthy business. See you in the next video where we'll tackle more quick and easy financial management tips.